Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a GIF from a video on iPhone from Photos. To do this, you will need to go into the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. So first, let's go into Shortcuts. From here, you're going to tap on Gallery in the bottom right hand corner. After you have selected Gallery, you're going to tap in the search bar and you're going to search for GIFs. Then you're going to tap on the option Create a GIF from a live photo or video. After you have done that, you'll simply tap on Add Shortcut. Once you have added the shortcut, you are going to tap on My Shortcuts in the bottom left hand corner. Then you will see the option Make a GIF. You are going to tap on that, as you can see right there. And from here, you'll simply select the video that you would like to use. For example, this one right here. Then you will select where in the video you like to use to make the GIF, as you can see right there.
Let me ruin your day.
This section right here. Then I will tap on Save, and it's trimming the video and making the GIF. And by the way, this will be saved in your galleries, so just give it a few seconds. You can see right there it's saving and it's done, and that's it. Right there, I tap on it, so you can tap on the arrow in the top right hand corner right here, and you can tap on Save Image. Done. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.